In this video, we are using Autodesk Inventor 2015 to look at how to move and copy different shapes on the screen. So I'm going to start by opening a part file. I already did that, and then I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I can pick any window for this 2D sketch. And in this instance, I'm going to make a ladder. So what would it look like to make a ladder? I can choose a rectangle. I'm going to make this 4 inches across, and then I can choose maybe 72 inches up and down. I have to zoom out a bit so we can see my ladder. There it is. And then if I want to put rungs in the ladder, I'm going to choose a circle command. So from my circle, actually let's finish this off. I'm going to extrude it a little bit here too, so then we can draw on a finished shape. 1 inch across sounds great. Okay, so this will be a side of our ladder. I'm going to click on a side and start sketching on that side. I'll use a circle. I can put that circle wherever I want. Maybe I want to make the rungs 2 inches across and press enter. I notice it's not exactly centered, so I want to see if I can move that more towards the center. I could dimension it, or if I want to eyeball this shape, I can use the move command along the top toolbar. If I click on move and click on my circle, you'll notice it highlights, it turns red when my mouse goes over it. I click, and then I use the right mouse button, and I say continue. And that's a command that comes up when you click your right mouse button. I now click anywhere on the screen, and I can move that shape wherever I want to put it. So maybe I want to say, no, this looks a little better. That's kind of where I want it. I don't have to measure. I don't want to add dimensions and constrain the sketch. I just wanted to move it. Then I'm done. At this point, I could draw a number of circles, keep going back to the circle command and measuring 2 inches across and keep drawing them. Or I can use the copy command, and this is a huge time saver. So if I click copy, notice that my circle again turns red when my mouse goes over it. I can click. I'm again going to right click and find the word continue. It's asking, do you really want to copy? And you say yes, continue with this command. Now I click anywhere on the screen, and I'll notice that there's an outline for the first circle. And then I can move, and whenever I click again, it's going to make a copy of that original circle. So I just click there. Let me zoom out a bit so we can see more of my screen. I have a line to show me that it's still staying perpendicular. They're all parallel. They're exactly the same distance apart from the sides of the ladder shape that I've made. And I can do this. When I'm done, I can click done. If I want these exactly a certain distance apart, again, my dimension tool along the top will help me space these evenly from the center of one circle to the other. So I could say 4 inches. Alright. Then I can finish my sketch, extrude like I usually do. I have to carefully go over, click on each circle. Oops, try that again. Extrude, click on each circle, and then I can make the rungs for my ladder. Much easier than drawing each circle individually. Alright, there you go.